Building an investment portfolio from scratch and growing it into the millions is a journey that starts with the right mindset. It's not just about numbers, it's about believing in your ability to succeed. Cultivating a growth mindset is essential. You need to embrace challenges, learn from failures, and stay committed to your goals. Understanding risk is crucial. Every investment comes with its own level of risk, and it's important to assess your comfort level. Are you a conservative investor, or do you have a higher risk tolerance? Knowing this will guide your investment choices. Set clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or your child's education? Define your objectives, as they will shape your investment strategy. Next, let's talk about budgeting. Before you can invest, you need to know where your money is going. Track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. This will free up cash that you can redirect into investments. A good rule of thumb is to aim to invest at least 15% of your income. Building an emergency fund is another critical step. Life is unpredictable, and having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved can prevent you from derailing your investment plans when unexpected costs arise. Once your emergency fund is in place, you can start exploring different investment options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are just a few avenues to consider. Stocks can offer high returns, but they come with volatility. Bonds are generally safer but provide lower returns. Mutual funds allow you to diversify your investments without needing to pick individual stocks. Real estate can be a great long-term investment, providing rental income and appreciation. To build a million-dollar portfolio, focus on consistent contributions and the power of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Automating your investments can make this process easier. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts each month. This way, you're consistently investing without having to think about it. As you embark on this journey, be aware of common mistakes. Don't let emotions drive your investment decisions. Panic selling during market downturns can lead to significant losses. Also, avoid trying to time the market. It's nearly impossible to predict short-term fluctuations. Instead, focus on a long-term strategy and stick to it. Utilize tools and resources available to you. Investment apps can help you track your portfolio and make informed decisions. Online courses and financial blogs can provide valuable insights. Surround yourself with knowledgeable individuals, whether through networking or mentorship, to enhance your understanding of investing. Finally, remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy as needed. The journey to building a million-dollar portfolio is challenging, but with the right mindset and approach, it's absolutely achievable. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on your investment journey.